Okay, now we are going to learn about simple interest. Okay, so simple interest here. Let's try to define what is simple interest. So simple interest basically just the extra money that you have to pay when you borrow some money from the bank, or maybe just an extra money that you can get when you deposit your money at the bank. Okay, so simple interest is, yeah, the extra money. That's the concept. Okay, so how to count the simple interest then? So this simple interest can be calculated using this formula. So I here is the interest itself. Okay, so the interest. So this is the formula of simple interest, yeah, because we have another interest which is compound interest. So first here we learn about simple interest. This is the easy one. Okay, and I here is the interest, yeah, because, yeah, from I interest. Okay, and then P here, P is principal. Principal means that the initial money that you borrow from the bank, or initial money that you deposit to the bank. So that's the amount of money that you deposit or you borrow, okay, at the first time. That's the principal P. And then R, now R here is the rate per annum. Annum is year, yeah, per year. So we're looking at the year time frame. Okay, so T is time, yeah, so time also number of years, so we're looking at the year, how many years. Okay, so this is the formula. So we have 100 here divided by 100. Why divided by 100? Because it's because the rate. So when we're talking about the rate, it will be in the form of percentage. So we afraid that you will forget to change the percentage, because percentage is basically per 100. So the formula just give you 100 per 100 already, so that you don't have to worry about the percentage. So even though it's in the percentage value, so you don't have to write the percentage in the formula, yeah, because it's already changed to over 100. Okay, so let's take a look example one, using the equation, using the formula. Okay, so a man borrows, okay, $100. So this is the initial money that a man borrows. So this is P, the principal, for 3 years. 3 years means the time, T. Okay, at the rate of 6%. So 6% here is the rate, the R. Okay, so we're looking at percent here, right? So when we substitute to the equation, to the formula, we don't have to worry about the percentage, because we already changed it to over 100 in the formula here. Yeah, so you don't have to use the percentage again, the percentage anymore in the formula. Okay, so let's just substitute uh, the value into the equation. So P here is 100, so we change it to 100. Okay, so R, the rate is 6, we don't use the percentage anymore, yeah, and T here is 3. Okay, now we just need to substitute again here. So I is equal to P times R times T. So the P here 100 times R times 6 times T times 3. Okay, so 100 we can cancel it, gone, and 6 times 3 here is 18. So we are looking at the rate, and the interest here is $18. After 3 years, so the man has to pay $100 plus 18, yeah, plus the interest. After 3 years, the man has to pay $118. So that's because the interest rate is 6% per year. Okay, so the simple interest that has to pay is $18, because this asking about simple interest, yeah, not the total money that he has to pay, of course. And it's asking about the total money he has to pay. It's come up by $118, because of course he has to also pay the $100, but it's asking about the simple interest only. Okay, so example 1, I hope you understand. Now go to example 2. Let's see in the questions. Matthew needed capital for his bakery. He borrowed $60,000. Okay, so $60,000 is the principal, P. Yeah, for 4 years. Okay, so this is of course the time. Okay, at a simple interest rate. So this is the rate, the R. Okay, 8% per year. So the question is, how much interest must be paid? So we're looking at the same formula again. I equal to P times R times T over 100. So we just need to substitute to the equation. So the P is 60,000. Okay, and then the R here is 8. Okay, so time is 4. So now we just substitute again here. So this is 60,000 times the rate times 8 times 4. So we can cancel the zeros here with the 100. So 8 times 4 is 32 times 600. So we are looking at 19,200. Okay, so this is the simple interest that Matthew has to pay. Simple interest. Okay, and therefore the money, the interest that Matthew has to pay is $19,200 after 4 years, with the rate at 8% per year. Okay, next questions. The amount of money Matthew will pay at the end of 4 years. Now is asking about the amount of money. It means that the total money that Matthew has to pay. Of course, because Matthew borrowed 60,000, he has to return the 60,000. He has to pay the 60,000. Okay, plus the interest. Okay, the interest is 19,200. So the total money is 79,200. The total money that Matthew has to pay is 79,200. Okay, I hope you understand. Now is example 3. Right? To save money for a bookshop, Diana invests $2,500 or $2,500. So this is the principal, of course, the initial money, at 6% per annum simple interest. So this is the rate. The rate is 6%. How long it will take for the amount to add up to 3,400? So the question is how long. It means it's referred to time. So the question is now is about the time. How long it will take for the amount to add up to 3,400. It means from 2,500 become 3,400. It takes how long? Yeah. So first we have to know the interest first. Yeah, the interest, the expected interest that Diana won. Okay, so the interest is simple. We just need to minus 3,400 by 2,500, because this is the difference, right? So that's the interest. So simple interest here is 3,400 minus 2,500. So we have 900. So Diana expect how long, the question is, how long will Diana get extra $900? That's the questions. So $900 is the interest, yeah. So the interest. So we're looking. We go back to the equation again here to find the interest. I equal to P times R times T divided by 100. So we already have the I here is 900. The R is the rate is 6%, so we just write it 6, and the P is the initial money. So this is 2,500. Okay, so we need to substitute to the equation, but first, because we are looking for the time, so we have to make T here as the subject of formula. Yeah, so we move everything here on the right side to the left, but not T. So T must be alone. So 100 move there, yeah. P and R, P times R move there. So P times R become division, yeah. 100 here because on the right side he divide. So go to the move to the left become multiplication. So we looking at here, this is the new formula. So when T as the subject of formula, so T equal to 100 times I, the interest, divided by P times R. Okay, so now we substitute to this equation. T equal to 100 times the I here is 900 divided by P is 2,500 times R 6. Okay, so we can cancel the 0 here, 0 gone, and then we can simplify 900 with 6. It's divided by 3. It means we have 300. 2. Okay, we can cancel it again, this one and that. This is 150, and this is 25, and 150 can cancel it, become 6. So we are looking at 6 years. The answer is 6 years. Okay, so the conclusion is the amount of time that it will take for Diana to get the extra $900 for his bookshop, for her bookshop, is 6 years. So Diana needs to wait 6 years so that her money become 3,400 here. Okay, so that is example 3. I hope you understand. So please try the exercise questions from number 1 until number 8 or 7, I forget. Yeah, please looking at the number 1 until number 8. Okay, so thank you. If you have question, you can ask me from WhatsApp. Thank you very much.